So if you want this system, all you need to do is to just like and subscribe to my channel, join the Telegram channel as well, and then you can DM me, tell me you want it on. If you don't even know how to use it, just DM me and I'll be glad to tell you everything about the system, how effective you can use it. Okay. Hello everyone, I welcome you to my YouTube channel, Online Cash Money. This is where we discuss everything about making money online, be it forex, synthetics, mining, freelance, just name them, anything at all that will bring you income online. That is what we do here. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do me a favor, help me to grow. Hit the subscribe button, like my channel. It will go a long way to help what you're doing here. So this is a system I try to put together that would help us to scalp against spikes. Okay, here on the system I have what is called the chaos, I have a bot, and I have another system here attached. So this is the chaos, right? The chaos shows you where there is a strong support and where there is a strong resistance as well, as you can see. Then I also have the demand and the supply region or zone, as you may want to call it. You can also call it the supply, the support and the resistance zone as well. Here you have the green acting as the support and the red acting as the resistance. Okay, we also have a bot that would help us to make instant market execution that will aid us in our transactions here. Besides this, there's also an arrow here attached that always appear to show yes, this is to confirm the support or a resistance zone area in your trading. I'll show you one of the arrows here. If you look closely here, you're going to see a blue arrow. Look at it. As I circle them here, you see there's a blue arrow there showing you a resistance pointing upward, and then you also see another red arrow here pointing downward. Immediately that arrow appeared, you see there's a spike sell, there's a massive sell downward. Okay, there's another one here, though it's not that effective, showing you a blue arrow pointing upward. There's going to be a buy there. Okay, so this is what the components of this system I put together. Try to, as much as I can, to minimize losses while you are trading. And here is the bot I told you about that help us for instant executions while we are trading our markets here. Okay, so and then so I will also show you how to trade with a very small account size. Account as small as 5, 10, 20, 15 for $50 account size, so that you don't blow your account. You know, when you're trading against the spikes, you should be very, very careful while you're trading against the spikes. Okay, so and you know, boom, boom, what's it called, boom 300, the minimum lot size is 0.10. But there's a way you can actually reduce that to the barest to the lowest of it all, which is 0.01. Okay, so if you want to do that one, if you want to do that, if you want to enter the market, instead of 0.10, as you can see here, you make it 0. You make it 0.11. You see, when I make it 0.11, what we have here right now, the volume we have here, as you can see, the volume we have here is 0.11, right? Okay, now let's continue. You now have to double click on this. You have to now double click on this line now. You have to double click on this very line. That's this one here. Okay, that's your trade, the trade which the order which you open. When you double click on it, a dialog box would appear. Then on that dialog box, in the volume, you reduce your order from that 11, as you can see here. Here, this order now, you know, is 0.11. You now reduce it to what? 0.10, what it was originally. When you reduce it to 0.10, you click this one here, this particular one. All right. You see what will happen? Reduce, click. Wait. Reduce it to, yeah, you click. Okay. When you click on it now, you see what we have here. What we have here, the volume has reduced to what? 0.01. If you don't go through, you can't just open a trade at 0.01 like this, except you go through this process I just told you. Okay, this is just so that you can protect. This is risk management, so that you can protect your assets. You don't blow your accounts with a $20 account or $10 account. If you trade against the spike with the minimum lot size of 0.10, one spike can just take away $5 from your account. You see, two spikes, you blow your account. So, but if you do like this right now, you can see what we are trading at the moment right now is 0.05. It's going to be hard for your account to be blown like this, whether the spikes goes against you or not. I hope you understand my explanation. So, you know, one thing we should understand is this: greed. That's the potent weapon derive all these brokers are using against we, the traders. You understand? If you remove greed, I'm telling you, you're going to be one of the greatest trader of all time. You understand? Because there's this illusion: I have $20 account, I want to double it in 2-3 in one day. I want to double it. I want to turn a $20 account into 1,000 naira in 1 week, into a $1,000 account in 1 week, which is not visible. You end up blowing your account. Why don't $100 account takes you 1 month to turn it into $100 account? You understand, as a beginner, than blowing $100 accounts in 2 or in 1 hour, in 2 hours, you blow your $100 account. Why don't you take 1 month to double that account? You understand what I'm saying? I'm trying to put out there to you people. So while we continue here, let me show you something. You know, this is this is crash 1000. Look at what is happening here. This is the major indicator here. Look at what we have here. Huh? You have the indicators here. The candles here, you see them green and red. Once it is crashing down, it is red. Once the market is going up, it is green. So immediately the market turns green. Immediately here, the indicator turns green. You just take what, 5 candles, and you leave the market. I don't know if you're understanding what I'm saying. Take your 5 candles and you leave. Immediately there is a change in color. If you are trading against the spikes, there's a change in color from red to green. Enter your market, take 5 candles, and you exit, right? If immediately you enter there is a spikes, close the trade. Wait for another condition. Don't try to hold that trade because there's a spike and you try to hold it. Please don't. Just close it. Be happy for the losses. Then enter another trade when there's another condition. Okay, like in this one here now. In this one here, this is a condition for a buy here. This is a condition for a buy. If you look at the adjacent up, you see what I'm telling you. This is a condition for a buy. This is a condition for a buy. This is a condition for a buy. Okay, good. So now let's look for a condition. Let's trade here now and see what will happen. Okay. Let's look for a condition. This is crash 1000. Okay, yeah, this is a buy. Actually bought before. Now, before I traded here within this region, before I started this video. Okay, this is a condition for a buy. This is a condition for a buy. Please don't be too greedy. 5 candle, leave, wait for another condition, wait for another red candle, then another green candle, you enter again. 5 candle, you leave. So I will show you the results, what I've been able to achieve with this system at the end of this whole thing. And if you need any of this, please just holler at me. Just subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my Telegram, DM me that you want this system. I'm going to give it to you out free of charge. I'm not charging anything. Right? Okay, this is our bot here. Maybe I should just tell you how this bot works, right? Okay. Let's see. Okay, here now we have clear all to clear the whole trade. That's how these bots work. Here, if you want to take profits, that is how these bots work. You click on this one. Let's say you open multiple trades and you want to close all losses. You click this one. You want to close all your stop loss. You click this one, and you want to all your stop limits, buy limits and stop limits, sell limits. You click that one. So that is how this bots instant execution. If you open like 100 trades, you just click, it closes everything automatically for you. You know, ordinarily, if you open like 10, if you have a $5,000 account and you can afford to open like 20 or 30 trades immediately, and maybe before you can close them individually, something has happened, there's a spikes. But with this bot, it closes everything automatically for you. You just see them closing like that. Okay, all right. So let's try to practicalize something here and see. I'm looking for a perfect condition for me to enter a trade here. Let's check, let's see. There are no perfect here. Let's check. Okay, Let me check crash 1000 and see if there's any condition met for, don't just jump in like that. I've seen something here now. You can see there's a condition here. You see it is turning green there. I hope you can see them, very small. It's turning green, so there is a condition for a buy there, right? Okay, now let me enter a buy. Minimum lot size of 0.2, right? Because of this condition here. Okay, let me pause this and explain something. You see this condition here now that you see, the condition here you see that was met, because you see all the while it was green, it was red, then at the tip there you see a green, a confirmation that you can now enter a buy. But if you look at this place now, if you look at this place too, there's a condition for a green, one small green there. If you are not conversant with the system, you would have entered a buy and it would spike down against you. But the reason why I wouldn't enter a buy there is because there is a resistance here. You see the resistance, this red thing here, resistance. Okay, now I'm not the one who put it there, it's the system that actually puts it there. That's how effective the system is. So we'll now wait for this trade to continue trading, and let's see what we're going to get out of this. So it's going. Remember I said 5 candles. Okay, so I'm going to pause this and come back and see how far, because there's no, the time is fast spent right now. Okay, okay, so this is our trade. Remember we opened it, I decided to pause the video because it would drag us. It's still going. As you can see now, the trade is touching the resistance area, is touching the resistance, and I already have my 5 candles like I told you, so I close. Okay, I don't know if you get what I just did here now. This is my 5 candle. This is the 5 candle. That was why I closed. You understand? If you count it, one, it's actually 6 candle. The first one plus the remaining 5, that's 5 candle. Then the market was already hitting this resistance here, right? That was why I decided to what, close the trade. So the next thing I would want to show you guys out there, because it's a complete system and I intend giving it out to you guys, my subscribers. The prerequisite is just to like, subscribe, and join my Telegram channel. Send me a DM that you've done so. I'll just give you the system. So let me explain the bot, how it works, how effective this bot is your trading. This particular bot I just circled here now, I'm going to open about 20 trades here. Don't try this on your small account, except you have up to $1,000, $2,000 in your account. Don't try to take this kind of risk. So I'm going to open like 20 trades here now. Then I'll show you how effective. You just watch closely and see. You see, I'm opening the trades. I'm going to open 20 of them. So just keep your eyes here. This thing is just blocking my view. Okay, you keep your eyes here and see what is happening. I'm going to click here, which is what, take profit. Okay, so keep your eyes on these 2 places I circled initially, and you'll see I opened like 20 trades. So it's going gradually. It's a huge risk. Try it on your demo before you go live. There's an arrow. This arrow is showing you that it's another confirmation that there is going to be a sell. Okay, And that small resistance at the top is also a confirmation that there's a small, not too strong, a weak resistance there. So did you see what just happened? Okay, let me just kind of go back a bit. So I click on it. You see what happened immediately. I click on this whole thing will just close on its own now. This whole trade will close on its own. Just watch and see. Immediately I click on this one here, you see what will happen. Okay, that's how effective this trading bot is. If you want it, just let me know. I'll give them to you. So I click now. You see what happened? It automatically closes everything for you, which is very good. Good for scalping. You understand? You just steal and you run away. That's it. So the next thing we'll be doing right now will be these are the results of the trades I had today. I'll still show you everything in the end. So I'm going to show you the results of today's trade using this particular system to show you how potent this system is. Okay, you will see the results here as you roll out. See them here on my phone screen here. You see over 100 trades, not even one loss. See, not even one. All I was trading against the spikes, all of them. But if you notice something, I wasn't being greedy. Some of it even up to I take 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents, 60, 70, 20 cents, I close. With the help of the rod as well, I made all this. So